Hello and welcome to All Tastes German. Today I will show you how to make bread dumplings. They are called Serviettenknödel, which means napkin dumpling, as they were cooked in the old days in a napkin or kitchen towel. We will choose a less messy way and use aluminum foil, but the taste remains so delicious. Okay, let's start. First, you need to melt the butter on medium heat in a medium-sized pan. In the meantime, peel the onion, cut it into fine cubes and add to the butter. Mix the eggs, the milk and the salt. Stir the onions once in a while and cook them until they are soft and translucent. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. I like to add a tablespoon of my homemade garlic paste, but that's optional. Next, you need to remove the parsley stems and chop the leaves finely. Then add the bread cubes to a large bowl. Pour the milk mixture over the bread cubes and mix it very well. Then add the onion mixture and the parsley to the bowl and mix very well again. I like to do this in 2 steps as I find it blends better, but you can do it in 1 step too to save a little time. Allow the bread mixture now to rest for about an hour. So now it's time to bring about a gallon of water to a boil in a large pot. In the meantime, prepare 4 about 2 feet long sheets of non-stick aluminum foil. I like to spray them with butter spray, but this is optional. Add 1/4 of the bread mixture on each sheet and roll into a log. Twist both ends of the log to close very tightly. Make sure the logs are well filled and have no air pockets. Carefully lower the logs into the boiling water and let them simmer on medium heat for 45 minutes. Now you can remove the logs from the water. Be careful, it's really hot. Let them cool to the touch and remove the foil carefully. Cut the logs into 1/2-inch slices. Brush them with melted butter and serve them immediately. If you don't want to serve the dumplings immediately, they will keep in the refrigerator for a couple of days in plastic wrap. When you are ready to serve, you can heat them in the microwave or fry them briefly in a pan with some butter. Fry them for about 2 minutes on each side and serve them crispy and hot. Guten Appetit!